second choice, Charismatic, also selling purple ribbon, and they're off. We've got a scramble for front position. Charismatic draws for your lead, moving up at the center. Kabake, Madam Teresa down on the inside, then followed by Fort Alamo. Karapatan moving up on the outside to take Fort, then followed by Game Changer. Next in line is entry number 4, Purple Ribbon, followed now by the rail by Gale Force, followed by J. Jewel. Next in line, runner number 7, Lola Carey, alongside Magalang, while trailing the group is Silent Power. Back to the leader, Kabake in command by about 2 lengths. Charismatic in second, racing in third, Madam Teresa. Karapatan moving up on the outside. Together is Game Changer, 11A, Purple Ribbon as they reach the last 600. Kabake still leading the field. Charismatic about to throw the challenge. Then here comes Karapatan, the favorite now, moving up together with Game Changer. J. Jewel, Purple Ribbon is on the outside as they turn for home. 3 runners parting it out for the lead. Charismatic, Karapatan, then moving up Game Changer. Purple Ribbon is sneaking in J. Jewel. 5 of them. Karapatan running at the center. Purple Ribbon is on the outside. Charismatic by the rail. It's Karapatan. Purple Ribbon on the outside. Karapatan. Purple Ribbon is on the outside. It's 2 runners fighting it out. Purple Ribbon moving up and doing the better over Karapatan. Then comes Game Changer. J. Jewel close. Gale Force and Charismatic for your Pentafecta.
4, 9, 11.